Good morning. Is that fluff in my hair? Don't ask. There may be animals in my hair. I hope they're very cozy and warm. I had a good sleep. Let's eat some breakfast. Look at this hair. How does it turn into like normal looking? I don't know. It just does with a little bit of water. Princess is snoring, and I just want to say good morning. It's too cold to do lives. I'm sorry. It's just too fucking cold, okay? I can barely keep my bowels intact out here. It's so cold. Okay? So I'll show you my hair and say good morning and say, and Gerald and Bambatina and Duck, they all wanted to say hello, give their regards. And Princess, of course, sleeping as usual. No, I wish. No, I don't wish, but she's been playing with her funky chicken. That makes a lot of fucking noise. You guys, you have no idea. What's that by the door? Anyways, she loves it, so it doesn't matter. It makes the most god-awful, like, wailing, infant crying sounds. I'm surprised no one called the police yet. I say the funky chicken is dancing and I throw it across the yard. That is called the funky chicken. Oh, say it. She almost woke up. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go. So I want to say good morning. I hope you guys are having a good week, and I will be back to live soon as this Arctic front chooses to pass. I love you, snow, but it's time to go. I love you, snow, but it's time to go. It's time to go. Give the bakery a chance to go back to lives so I can make my quota of hours to get monetized. Choked on that lie. That's not a lie.